Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we have Milonga, a fun combination for you to do it at the Milonga, dancing Milonga.
Okay, let's jump to the dance floor right now. Okay, let's do this. So we go to the side and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 to start the new figure.
Exactly. So, fun figure, we can use the same spot without traveling a lot and kicking other people. So, what are we doing
Very nice
here?
for navigation or to wait for the people to go around you.
Exactly, yep. So, here we go.
Explain the details.
Leaders first, what we are doing is this, side step. Now we are rocking and opening our left shoulder blade, basically. Look, 1 and 2. What I'm doing here is I'm putting weight on the right now, but every time that I pull, I will re-step a little bit back with my left leg, which is the back one. Rock and 1. And I will keep doing this a couple of times. Pam, pam. Did you notice that I'm basically, this is what I'm trying to do. She's going and I'm going. Step and 1 and 1. I'm pulling her in a circle. She's creating another circle. Don't think that it's on the same spot. We try to go around. Yep. So that's for the leader. Let's try now one more time.
Yes.
Because I didn't do it completely. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And the last one, I'm going to do this. And 4, and feet together. Basically, I was pulling and creating a little bit distance for her to land in almost ocho cortado. From here, we can walk out into resolution, slow, and different way of syncopating is doing side change back to start all over again. Rather than doing the simple, quick, slow closing, this is one bit later.
For the followers, we are going to side, and suddenly you feel the lead to walk back, but on your front step, front foot, we are pivoting, we are rotating. So every time he pulls, let's keep doing this. Every time he pulls, I'm pivoting on my right foot, front foot, and the left is traveling from one point to the other. Let's keep rotating so you see this here. From here, there. From here, there. So every time I step on the front, this is a pivot moment. Now to end the step, you will feel the lead to go to the cross. And from here, go slow, slow, and change to the side. So syncopation for us will go on feet together to the front.
So basically we'll be slow, quick, slow.
Yeah.
Yep. So one thing that, how do we send her into the cruzada? And the momentum comes when we bring her into her back step. That's the main accent, yes? So if we, let's say, we are doing this. 1, 2, and 3. I will do it in the next one. So I will go 1, pam, pam. Did you notice? Can I do that one more time? So what I'm doing is I'm creating momentum for her to go, and I'm retracting my leg, creating a space for her to go around, and I will surround her. So basically I'm rotating her a little bit so she lands in cruzada, and I'm adjusting my position in front of her, ready to walk out. Yep. So that's the momentum, that's how we exit from it.
It feels very natural for the followers because you keep the molinete rule.
Yes.
Back, side, front, back, side, front. I'm going to the cross on front and not walking forward because he ends the move there. So if I'm back on the last one, back, side, front is right here. There's no more lead for me to keep walking forward. So we should cross, and from here, this arm to go to resolution.
Yes.
Very easy, very clear. Very important for the follower is also, I think for both, we are transferring body weight on toes and not upper body. So we don't move upper body for the figure. We're moving back and forward from our feet. A little bit of a hip, but it's also not much hips. It's more, you create a center, and you move around on this center without moving the upper body much. so you can have a good connection.
That is correct. So now we're going to show you this with the music to see how it works. And this is the exact moment that you leave a like, you share your video with your friends, the video with your friends. It really helps us to grow the channel. Now let's do this with the music.
Ella es una pobre colegiala